Hey, Cameron Martell from Watches You Can Afford, and I'm here with the Seiko Prospex Solar World Time SSC 509. Now that's a long name, but it's got a feature list to match. Now, Prospex literally means professional specifications, and the Prospex line of watches are Seiko's tool watch lineup. Inside that lineup, you'll find a series of dive, pilot, and adventure watches bearing the brand. In this case, the SSC 509 is using the caliber V195 solar-powered movement, falling into the adventure category in the Prospex lineup. Now, the V195 boasts a 6-month charge once it's full. In addition to the long life, it also has an integrated alarm, 24-hour chronograph function, and world time functionality with 25 built-in cities. Now, if you're looking for a well-made world time, this Seiko may be a good fit for you, so let's check it out. Okay, so looking at this watch, it's plainly obvious that this is a busy face. This isn't going to be a watch that you wear when you're looking for a subtle addition to your wardrobe, because this dial is complicated. It's got city names, minute markers, indices, sub-dials, date windows, branding. It's got a whole lot going on here. But it is good looking, especially with that knurled bezel outside that brings it all together. I'm a fan. So I actually got this comment from a reader not long ago. "But Cam," he said, "you're always a fan. You don't seem to dislike anything." Untrue. It's just I prefer to talk about what I like, and I like this Seiko. I mean, look at this thing. The case alone looks badass. Yeah, the face is a little busy, but on the whole, shouldn't a watch like this be busy? I mean, it's a world time and it's solar powered. What do you want? Okay, so moving on past the style conversation, let's talk about what this Prospex can do, which is basically everything. World time chronograph, date display, alarm, all sorts of good stuff built into this thing. And it's packed in a fairly easy to use package. The manual, though, is thick and you're probably going to want to read it. I have linked to the manual in the textual review on watchesyoucanafford.com. If you're looking for ways to use this watch, start there. Another nod goes to Seiko for the awesome lume on this thing. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is one of the brightest lumes I have ever seen on a watch. In the photo here, the lume is so bright it actually lights up the rest of the dial. That's not a camera trick. That was taken with my smartphone, super fast shutter speed. It's just that bright. What you're seeing is the lume reflecting off the crystal. Now, all of that aside, this is a wonderful watch to wear. 42 millimeters is perfect for just about every man, and it looks so good thanks to that bezel. Awesome work, Seiko. Part of what makes it so good to wear is how easy it is to read. I mean, look at this wrist shot. Those hour markers are huge, and it's super simple to find the time. I know, listen, telling time isn't hard, but the older I get, the more I appreciate things that are really legible. Adding to that wrist experience is the strap and buckle, which is comfortable. Now, the strap was a little stiff when you first put it on. Most leather straps are, but I found that this one broke in very easily. It's nice and soft on the inside, almost luxurious in a way. Now, I would have loved to have seen something a little bit higher end on the buckle side, but to be honest, the standard buckle is fine given that durability matters most, and I would take a buckle over deployant clasp in that regard any day. Take all that and add 100 meters of water resistance and you've got a real solid watch. So, all that being said, I'd like to thank my friends at Certified Watch Store for once again providing this Seiko Prospex World Time for my review. I had a lot of fun with it. And if you want to read more details or see high-resolution photos, check out the full review on watchesyoucanafford.com.